Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Position yourself at a side angle rather than head-on to avoid frontal sprays. Approach slowly while keeping cover. Pop a stun grenade if the tank begins its charge, because that buys you 3-4 seconds to reposition. Once close enough, land high DPS shots to the exposed fuel tanks. This damages core health and risks a stagger. Make sure to keep one healing item ready and swap to your ranged weapon immediately after causing a stagger to exploit the opening. Once the tank is staggered, switch targets to the head and maximize crit chance, because those hits multiply damage and shorten the fight. While you deal damage, move between cover points to reset aggro and avoid large sweeping attacks. If there is environmental hazard, lure the tank through it to force extra DOT. Make sure to rotate your abilities. Use a shield during heavy attack windows and save stun for when the tank attempts its escape or starts its enrage phase to maintain crowd control. You close it out by timing one full burst DPS after producing the final stagger, because that window is your fastest kill opportunity. If the tank attempts to repair fuel tanks, back off to a safe distance and reapply focused sustained fire to interrupt repairs. This prevents it from regaining momentum. Make sure to have a contingency. If you become overwhelmed, deploy smoke, retreat to high ground, and reset the encounter to recover resources. That reset often turns a near loss into a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.